guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to attach your DSLR camera to your tripod. So in front of you I have shown you this Ultimax 72-inch tripod, and I have this Canon Rebel EOS T7i digicam. So I mean to say DSLR, sorry. So we are going to connect it. So do you see this screw point? So this is what we are going to attach over here. So the first thing what I would do is I would detach this piece from this camera so that we can do it easily. I can lose it a bit. Okay, I'm doing good. Okay, so I have to move this lever and then take this out. So now this is in my hand. Okay, now this has to go at this end, so I'm gonna attach it here. And I'm gonna rotate it. Okay, now it is fixed. You can check it. Okay, it's actually fixed. Alright, so now what we are going to do, carefully, be very careful. In fact, if you have ribbon, it's good that if you put it on your body so that it does not fall with you. So in order to attach it back to the tripod, what I am going to do, I am going to pull this lever once more. This one, as you see. I am going to take the camera and base it. As you see, I am showing you the close view so that you can get exactly what's going on there. Put it in the exact frame and then just release the lever once more. That's it. It is done. As simple as that. Just put the lever back and pull the lever, place the base back on the stage, and then release the lever. It's gonna lock it once more. If you want to release it again, just pull the lever and pull the camera out. That's it. That's how simple it is, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.